Hello and welcome to the channel. In this channel we do daily videos talking about proven and tested holistic remedies and herbal remedies as well that I have personally used, as well as basing it on the recent research studies in order to help you to improve your health and your wellness. So in this video I would like to keep it short and simple and talk about the amazing benefits of chickweed when it comes to helping to heal from eczema. In previous videos I've talked about extensively about healing from eczema, specifically when it comes to myself, because I suffered from eczema before, and also in the video I have explained how I have healed from eczema, what are the proven step-by-step holistic tactics that I've used in order to do so, and I've also done a similar video talking about my son's healing process from eczema, and he is only 1 year old. So if you're interested in that, both video links will be in the description box below this video. And let's get started talking about the amazing benefits of chickweed when it comes to healing from eczema. Well, chickweed is amazing because it's one of these herbs that we rely on in order to help to heal from eczema, both topically and also through a use of a cream as well. So what chickweed is known for, it is basically a soothing and astringent herb, and it helps to heal the wounds, and it helps also to ease the irritation, and it helps to heal the skin tissue, and also encourage the skin to renew itself in terms of the cells. So what you can do to use chickweed in your healing process from eczema, you can simply purchase a ointment or a cream that contains chickweed. This is widely available in the major online stores such as Amazon, eBay and iHerb. You can also find the ointment, a chickweed based ointment, natural. You can find it in the health food store that is local to you, and if not, then head over to the online herbal stores. I'm sure you will find it over there. I will link the chickweed ointment that I have relied on in order to heal from eczema in the description below this video, so you can head over and have a look if you're interested. Apart from that, you simply can use the ointment as advised, which you usually find the instructions on the bottle. And if you don't want to use the ointment, or if you can't access the chickweed ointment, alternatively you can use 1 teaspoon of the infused chickweed oil and add that to bath water. This is super simple. If you don't have access to a bath, then you can simply add 1 teaspoon of the infused chickweed oil onto the skin and use it as a massage oil for the patches that contain eczema that are irritated. And this is really important because, as we said, chickweed is very soothing for the skin, and if you have access to the chickweed herb, for example, it's growing around you, or you're able to plant it, or you can even purchase it in bulk from Mountain Rose Herbs or iHerb and other places like that as well, you can simply make your own infused oil, which is the way I tend to do, and that is super simple. All you have to do is just simply get a jar, a sterilized jar, place half of the amount of the jar in chickweed dried herb, and then you add to it either olive oil or almond oil. Really important, because these two oils, each one of them is really important for the skin healing and also important when it comes to pain relief as well. So I would add olive oil on top of the dried chickweed in the jar, and then close it tightly. Make sure the olive oil is added to the top of the jar, and then I'll close it tightly. I'll put it in a dark place, and I will shake it once a day for at least 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 to 6 weeks, I'll simply strain it, place it in a amber colored jar, so it would help in preserving it for longer, and then I would use it as a massage oil. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know, what have you used in order to heal from your eczema, and would you be able to incorporate chickweed into your healing methods from eczema. It's really a simple and sweet recipe that I've relied on personally, and I've had huge success with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got anything out of today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.